about to take the Beamer in. Gonna get ready to be gone for a bit. Try to get like a tire shot, you know. Look at the tire, the back tire. Alright, that's it. I just wanted to get some video. Now we're just chilling on some fucking chairs, bro. Fault. Damn, kayak popping up. Surf's about to go and come up. Walk. Get some Domus Chromus.
Freaking surf his little Beamer. That's still nothing.
Here with the Beamer. Just want to get a quick audio test. Did you like the sound?
Yeah.
Or does it sound a little... Does that sound regular?
That's not really a joke. Hit it at 7.
Your owner's experience of a 3.3D. How is it? After breaking down, almost trying to break down. We need to check if it's got the Gumi. We met the original owner at a drive-thru, and that's what came up. Come up.